In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a folder in Google Drive, providing a comprehensive guide for 2025. Let's dive in together and ensure your files are kept as secure as possible. First things first, head over to Google Drive and log into your account. Keep in mind that you must have an active Google account to proceed with these steps. Once you're logged in, navigate through your drive to locate the folder you wish to lock. It's crucial to identify the exact folder to ensure you're setting permissions correctly. Next, go ahead and right-click on the folder you've selected. A menu will appear with several options, but you'll want to click on Share. This action brings up the Share with People and Groups pop-up window, where you'll manage who can access your folder and how. Within this Share with People and Groups window, you have the control to enter the email addresses of any individuals you want to share the folder with, if you choose to share it at all. Here you'll set their permissions. You can assign them as viewer if you want them to only view the contents, or commenter if you'd like them to be able to comment but not edit. Remember, being mindful of these permissions is key to ensuring your folder stays as secure as you intend. If you decide to add people, you'll need to click Send once you've entered their email addresses and assigned their roles. However, if you're opting to control access via a link, click on Copy Link to keep this option handy. This allows you to share the folder more broadly without sending individual invitations. Moving on, to truly lock down your folder, preventing others from downloading, copying, or printing, you'll need to take a couple of additional steps. Stay in the Share with People and Groups window and look toward the top right corner for the Settings button, marked by a gear icon. Click this icon to access more detailed settings. Within the settings, you'll find options to control how your folder can be handled by others. Specifically, you'll want to turn off the option that allows viewers and commenters to download, print, and copy your files. Disabling these options strengthens your folder's security, making it effectively locked against unwanted duplication. Finally, once you've adjusted these settings to your liking, click Done to save and apply these changes. At this point, your folder is as secure as can be, granting access only to those you trust and preventing unauthorized downloading or copying. This ensures that your sensitive files are safe within the digital confines of Google Drive. I hope you found these steps clear and helpful. Taking a few moments to secure your folders can make a huge difference in keeping your information and files protected. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you through more tech tips in future videos.